Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload PDF files to Claude AI for analyze. So what you need to do is, let's say, open up new chat, and here at the bottom left of this chat you will see this plus icon plus button. So if you click on that, you can see then that you can add files or photos. So we will click on that, but you can also just drag your file right into here. So let me show you real quickly how you can do that. So you can select that and just wait a few moments and it's right over here now. But I will go through here because it's the same thing to do. All right, wait a few moments, just like that. Now we have our document icon appear here. So it is in, now it's this file in our chat. Now we simply uh, give Claude a specific instruction to get the best result. So what we can do, for example, let's say I will put this in, summarize the key findings of this report into 5 bullet points. What we can also do, we can also do some data extraction. For example, I can also select here, I will make it like 0.2, and this one will be first like that. And now we are good to go, and press this orange button here to give the Claude AI starting point. Now you need to be aware that you can upload files up to 30 megabytes each, and you can upload up to 5 files at a time in a single message. So in this message we could add 5 PDFs. Now as you can see, we get key findings summary right here, summary, and then we get the extracted as markdown table as we put these 2 points to the chat. And yeah, this is how you can upload PDF files and then analyze it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.